Yo, good morning, Houston. Jesse here with Double J Pressure Washing. We are out here in the North Houston area. We are going to be knocking out this driveway for one of my neighbors. They live on a corner lot and they have a very long sidewalk, so the HOA is on them about that. So I'm here to get them cleaned up, and it's going to be on the house just because that's what Double J does sometimes. So we just out here watching, baby. Check it out. This one is a little dirty, so we might be doing a pre-treatment on this one. I generally never do a pre-treatment, but as you can see, it's pretty dark. We're going all the way down to the end, so most likely the pre-treatment is gonna help this come along a little quicker if I have enough SH. We will see. And I don't have enough SH for a pre-treatment, so we have to raw dog it. Piece of my O-ring, when I changed it out a little while ago, I had broken off and went in there, and that was my bad. It happens. I've had a bad O-ring for months. That's the first time that it's felt that good. Rockin' and rollin', baby. Let's go. post treatment. I let the water run out.
I'm sorry now, we can't find the words to talk about how this life planned out. Now we the ones that standing now. This is not what I expected. I hate this type of attention. I didn't know your intentions, the demons that we've all slept with.
That's a wrap, baby. Solo operator style. So that took about, I don't know, about an hour and a half maybe. So, what we do. Like I said, we just out here watching, baby. We out.